way you look at things in life, well, that's the way they tend to be. If you see the cup half full, if you see the cup half empty, well, logic has no place here when dealing with love affairs. The way you look at things in life, well, that's the way they tend to be. If you see the cup half full, if you see the cup half empty, well, logic has no place here when dealing with love affairs. Ooh.